Good afternoon. Right, good. So, anyone, can you recap what topic we discussed in the last class? Just recap. What's the topic we discussed in the last class? Okay. Okay. Okay, about the order of the system. First order system. Okay, good, Karika. Right. So last class we discussed about the order of the system. What is order of the system? Then what is the type of the system? Then how to calculate the first order system with the unit step input. Okay. There are two types of input we are discussing in the subject. One is step input and impulse input. For step input, what is the value of first order system? We have derived what it is. Then second one is time domain specifications also we have discussed. There are four definitions. There is rise time, peak time, peak overshoot, setting time. So those are some of the definitions we discussed as time domain specifications of second order system. For second order system we discussed 5 definitions. Okay. So today we move on to another topic, PID controller. Okay, right. So PID controller means proportional, integral and derivative controller. Right. So P means proportion, I means integral, D means derivative. What you have studied in mathematics. Mathematics is differential, integral, calculus, differentiation, etc. So here we are applying all the mathematical concepts to control the system. Right. So here, what is control system? Anyone? Can you try? What is control system? Is there any system inside this room? Where is the projector, right? So projector is all the system. Then where the system is the computer. Computer is a system. Yes. Then mobile phone. That is all the gadgets, electronic equipments. This projector, fan, fluorescent lamp, everything. All our systems. It is made up of mechanical parts which are connected, and if we give an electrical input, it works. This is a system. Okay. There are two types of systems. One is open loop system and closed loop system. Okay. So if you are taking the output variable and use as a feedback signal that means we call it as a closed loop system. Right. Automatic controller system, that means we call it as a closed loop system. Okay. The fan open loop or closed loop, mama. This fan is working. Then if you switch on the fan starts rotating. We are getting a pleasant air inside the room. Okay, this is not fan working. Okay, this is closed loop or open loop? Closed loop. Okay, this is closed loop. No, how you are telling this is a closed loop? If it is a closed loop, fan will be closed loop. You switch on fan over there. One level it is rotating particular speed, two levels it is rotating particular speed, three levels it is rotating particular speed. This is an open loop system. One level it is 800 RPM, it is rotating 800 RPM. Whether you have measured, it is actually rotating 800 RPM. You are expecting that it is rotating. In an 800 it may rotate at 750, 850 rotate 750 rotate. That is close to condition. The actual speed you have to measure using your speed sensor capsometer measure பண்ணி அதை இன்புட்ல கொடுத்து so 750 னா உங்களுக்கு actual I am expecting 800. That is my measure, that is expected value. Set value is 800 but actual measured value, actual present value is 750. அப்போ error வந்து 50 degree. அந்த error signal ஏத்த மாதிரி கண்ட்ரோலர் போட்டு actual temperature 800 க்கு ரெடி பண்ணியாச்சுனா that is closed loop system. புரிஞ்சுச்சா? அந்த எரரை கரெக்ட் பண்ணி ஆக்சுவலா 800 க்கு ரொட்டேட் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சுச்சா that is closed loop. இப்போ நம்ம நியூயார்க் ஹோம் ஜெய்சர் ஹீட்டர் யூஸ் பண்றீங்களாமா? ஹீட்டர் யூஸ் பண்றோம், ரூம் ஹீட்டர் யூஸ் பண்றோம், ரூம் ஃப்ரெஷ்னர், that is ஏர் கண்டிஷனர், ஏர் கூலர் எல்லாமே யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? ரெஃப்ரிஜரேட்டர், everything okay all are closed loop systems அதெல்லாம் closed loop தான் நீ ஒரு temperature set பண்ற actual temperature measure பண்ணனும் AC எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா it measures the actual temperature you set on actual temperature is 30 degree இருந்துச்சுனா இப்போ present is summer நீ set பண்ண 25 இருந்துச்சுனா 5 வந்து எரரா எடுத்துட்டு அது based on that you switch on it sends the signal to the compressor and compressor starts working and it starts cooling the room இதுல air conditioner அதுவே உன்னோட heat இருந்துச்சுனா heat value that is ஒரு thermostat ஏதோன்னு இருக்கும் temperature வந்து measure பண்ணும் actual measurement is how many of you have AC in your home? Heater what is heater எத்தனை பேர் வீட்ல இருக்கு heater இருக்கா water heater near home no okay in all homes we have a refrigerator okay we continue with today's topic right so previous slide okay right so what is PID controller so controller is just making a dynamic process behave in the way we want now if I want to control you உன்னை நான் கண்ட்ரோல் எப்படி பண்ணுவேன் I have to implement நான் சொல்றத நீ கேட்கணும்னு சொல்றலையா so that is control the way we want to make the system to work that is control clear right control is just making a dynamic process behave in the way we want that is control so we need three things to do this நீ கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் வேணா அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க பர்சனலா கூட அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம் here what are the three things we need to control anything first one is a way to influence the process I have to influence the process second one is a way to see how the process after influencing how the system is working the behavior I have to observe then third one is a way to define how we want to behave how it controls how it has to control the system we have to look on next one so define the behavior okay we usually specify a value we want some output of the system to have so that is set point in the room water temperature 25 degree இருக்கணும் அப்படினா so that is my set point next one is influencing the process how to influence the process we need some kind of control input which can create the changes in the behavior okay how to reduce the temperature actual temperature adu வந்து we have to do that it may be the heater or some other thing typically it is not the same physical quantity as we want to control it okay எனக்கு வந்து இந்த ரூமே ஹீட் ஆகணும் அப்படினா நான் என்ன பண்ணனும் அது டைரக்ட்டா நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ண முடியாது இன்டைரக்ட்டா we have to add some variable and we have to keep this cool this room either way next observing the behavior right most of the time we don't know exactly so we need to measure what the process does measured variable is nothing but the actual value set point is our expectation measured is actual variable or process variable next one so what is feedback system so you see the example of a water heater so this is a heater in a system imagine it is a power station so here an operator is controlling the heat of this boiler temperature so based on the actual this temperature gauge measures the actual temperature of the water to the turbine okay if the temperature is low then the operator is control variable okay so this is the measured value so here this is the control value so this operator controls the furnace temperature the fire that way the temperature of the water can be increased or decreased thank you thanks for watching